What if I told you that just by pairing your morning blueberries with one specific healthy vegetable, you could wipe out nearly all of their immune-boosting vitamin C before the fruit even reaches your stomach? The chemistry in your salad bowl may be the reason you are not seeing the health results you expect. Blueberries are praised as the miracle berry and the memory fruit, but the way most seniors eat them is quietly destroying those benefits. One small mistake in how you wash, store, or combine them can upset digestion, spike blood sugar, weaken muscles, and speed up brain fog and memory decline. This is science-backed. Studies funded by the National Institute on Aging and global research centers show that when blueberries are processed, stored, or paired incorrectly, they can lose up to 80% of their protective antioxidants. This turns them into little more than a sugary snack in disguise. Who needs to watch this? Adults over 60, those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, anyone with high blood pressure or on blood thinners. For you, the way you eat blueberries can decide whether they support your circulation and brain or push blood sugar and blood pressure in the wrong direction. In this video, I will show you how many blueberries per day are safe and helpful after 60, what to never mix them with if you have reflux, diabetes, or joint pain, how to wash and store them so they protect your brain instead of loading you with pesticides. If you apply this for just 2 to 4 weeks, many of you will notice clearer thinking, less bloating, and steadier energy. I am Dr. James Hart, and welcome to Nutri-Age AU. We are about to uncover 8 fatal blueberry mistakes, from risky to absolutely shocking. Please stay with me until mistake number 1, a simple morning habit that top neurologists warn may be a recipe for memory collapse. Before we begin, if you find this helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an important update. Mistake number 8, the silent thief in your salad, pairing blueberries with cucumber. We start with a mistake that seems so innocent, so healthy, yet it is chemically destructive. On the surface, blueberries and cucumbers seem like perfect partners. One is bursting with antioxidants, the other is refreshing, hydrating, and light. You see them tossed together in fruit salads at summer barbecues, in detox waters, and all over social media. But here is the surprising truth. This innocent-looking combination could quietly cancel out one of blueberries' most valuable gifts to your body: vitamin C. Let me explain the mechanism simply. Cucumbers naturally contain an enzyme called ascorbate oxidase, sometimes known as ascorbinase. Its job in nature is simple, but in your stomach, it is destructive. It breaks down vitamin C. Now, why is this a tragedy for blueberries? Because blueberries are one of nature's richest sources of vitamin C, a vitamin that is absolutely essential for us as we age. It drives collagen production to keep your skin elastic, it strengthens your immune defenses against infections, and it helps wounds heal faster. Symptoms of deficiency in seniors. For many Australian seniors, a lack of vitamin C isn't just about catching a cold. It shows up in very specific ways: bruises that appear easily on your arms, cuts that take longer to heal, more frequent infections, and gums that bleed when you brush them. I want to tell you about Margaret. Margaret is a 68-year-old woman who came to see me last year. She was doing everything right. She was making daily detox waters with blueberries, cucumber, and lemon. She thought she was giving her body a supercharge, but after months, she noticed no change in her energy. Her immunity was still low, and she was catching every cold that went around. When we looked at her diet, I realized the problem. Imagine eating your blueberries with cucumber in the same bowl. Instead of those antioxidants rushing into your bloodstream, the cucumber enzyme goes to work dismantling the vitamin C before your body even has a chance to absorb it. What you thought was a superfood combo actually leaves you with fewer nutrients. A crucial note on medications. If you take blood pressure medication or diabetes medication, this is even more important. Your body is already under stress. You cannot afford to lose the little vitamin C you are getting from fruit. The solution: you do not have to give up cucumbers, just change the timing. Eat your blueberries in the morning Enjoy your cucumber salad at lunch. Leave at least 30 to 60 minutes between them. What should you pair them with? If you want better morning partners for your blueberries, choose warm porridge, plain Greek yogurt, a small handful of walnuts or almonds. These foods support absorption rather than blocking it. Mistake number 7, the sticky toxin trap, waiting too long to wash. Blueberries look so clean and perfect in the shop, don't they? Many people think, I will just rinse them quickly right before I eat them. Why wash them now and risk them getting mushy? But waiting too long to wash your blueberries is one of the most dangerous mistakes a senior can make. Year after year, blueberries appear on the pesticide watch lists. This means they are among the most pesticide-contaminated fruits on the market. These residues are not just harmless dust, they include compounds linked to memory loss, hormonal imbalance, and even leg weakness. And here's the part no one tells you. Pesticides on blueberries are designed to be sticky. They are formulated to resist rain and rinsing during farming. That means if you toss them straight into your fridge and wait days before washing, those toxins are sitting there, seeping deeper and deeper into the soft skin of the fruit. I remember meeting Arthur, a retired engineer with a sharp mind. He complained of a mental fog and light tremors in his hands that felt like early Parkinson's, but his neurologist said his scans were clear. Arthur ate blueberries every day, but he washed them with a quick rinse of tap water right before eating, after they had sat in his fridge for a week. Symptoms of pesticide overload. In older adults, pesticide overload often looks like simple aging, so it gets ignored. It looks like frequent mild headaches, light tremors in the hands, difficulty falling asleep, and a tired, heavy feeling in the legs. The solution, the deep cleanse routine. A quick rinse under the tap is not enough. Follow this routine. When to wash, do this the same day you bring them home. Wash the whole punnet. The mix. Mix 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda for every 3 cups of cool water. Stir until dissolved. The soak. Soak the berries for 10 to 15 minutes. This pulls the sticky chemicals off the skin. The rinse and dry. Rinse gently, then dry them thoroughly with paper towel. The limit. Eat them within 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, throw away what is left. For many seniors, old berries cause more harm than good. For Arthur, making this switch helped lift that fog, giving him back the clarity he cherished. Mistake number 6, the acid storm, pairing with pineapple. Let's talk about another popular pairing that might be causing you pain. At first glance, blueberries and pineapple seem like a tropical match made in heaven. You see them layered in smoothies or tossed into fruit salads. Blueberries deliver anthocyanins, and pineapple brings bromelain, an enzyme known for reducing inflammation. On paper, this looks like the ultimate superfood duo, but here is the hidden problem, specifically for the senior stomach. When eaten together, their combined chemistry can backfire. The issue lies in their high natural acidity. Both fruits are acidic on their own, but when combined, the acid load doubles. Who is at risk? I need to be very clear here. If you have been diagnosed with gastritis, reflux, a hiatus hernia, or if you take acid-reducing medication, this combination is especially risky. The extra acid can irritate your stomach lining and esophagus. We are talking about bloating, reflux that burns into the chest, and even waves of nausea. I recall a patient named Beverly. She was 71. She started her day with a health kick smoothie of blueberries and pineapple. Within weeks, she began waking up at night with acid reflux so severe it felt like a heart attack. The pineapple-blueberry pairing was overwhelming her sensitive digestion. The solution? Enjoy both fruits, but separate them. Give your digestive system at least 45 to 60 minutes between them. What to eat instead? If you have a sensitive stomach, pair blueberries with lower acid foods such as oats, chia pudding, or a small portion of unsweetened yogurt instead of pineapple. If you have ever had bloating or strange stomach pain after eating fruit, the next part is especially for you. It involves a habit many of us do to protect our teeth, but it actually hurts our health. Mistake number 5, removing the armor, peeling or processing the skin. Some seniors peel their blueberries, or they buy processed blueberry products like muffins or smooth juices where the skins are removed because they want something softer, easier to chew, and gentler on the stomach. But here is the shocking truth. When you throw away the skin, you are throwing away 80% of the berry's healing power. The deep blue-purple color of blueberries comes from compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants live almost entirely in the skin, not the flesh. They are the reason blueberries are called memory berries. Anthocyanins improve blood flow to the brain, protect the retina of your eye from oxidative damage, and reduce inflammation. Without the skin, blueberries become little more than a sugar ball. The denture challenge. Now, I know what many of you are thinking. Dr. Hart, I have dentures, or my teeth are sensitive. I cannot chew those tough skins. I hear you. If you have dentures, missing teeth, or tooth sensitivity, do not avoid the skins. Instead, we adapt. If you swallow the berry whole, your stomach cannot break down the skin, and you lose the benefit. You must break the skin before you swallow. The solution, for sensitive teeth: gently crush the berries with a fork before adding them to your yogurt. The senior smoothie. Make a smoothie that keeps the skin but is easy to drink. Try this simple recipe: half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of water or unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed or linseed, blend for 15 to 20 seconds. This protects your teeth, but keeps the skin and fiber intact. A note for diabetics: if you live with diabetes, keep the portion to half a cup and always combine it with protein or healthy fat to slow sugar absorption. If you are still watching at this point, please type a number 1 in the comments below and tell me, how do you usually eat your blueberries? Do you eat them with yogurt, in smoothies, or just by hand? I love reading your daily routines. Mistake number 4, the mold trap: storing them wrong. You can spend good money on the freshest organic blueberries, but if you store them wrong, you are turning a superfood into a gut-wrecking hazard within days. Blueberries are one of the most delicate fruits nature gives us. A study showed that improper storage causes blueberries to lose up to 40% of their vitamin C and antioxidants within just 48 hours. Even worse, mold spores can begin to spread in as little as 2 days. Take Judith, a lovely 69-year-old woman. She kept her blueberries sealed in the original plastic punnet, tucked in the crisper drawer. Within 2 days, the berries turned soft, and she began experiencing bloating. She thought it was her IBS, but it was mold toxins. The solution: the 4-step storage protocol. Inspect. Immediately remove any soft berries the moment you get home. Breathe. Store them in a shallow container lined with paper towel. The paper towel absorbs excess moisture. The time limit: in the refrigerator, aim to finish fresh blueberries within 3 to 4 days. After that, even if they look fine, their vitamin C drops sharply. How to freeze correctly. If you want to buy in bulk to save money, spread washed and dried blueberries in a single layer on a tray, freeze them, then transfer to a freezer bag. This prevents clumping and preserves nutrients better. Stay with me here, because the next mistake is the one I see most often in seniors with diabetes. Many of them think they are eating clean at night, but this one habit silently pushes their blood sugar up. Mistake number 3, the sugar spike: eating too many at once. Here is a truth many seniors do not realize: even the healthiest superfoods can backfire when you eat them in excess. While blueberries are low on the glycemic index, eating a big bowl in one sitting, especially at night, can silently sabotage your digestion and spike your blood sugar. Blueberries contain fructose. For younger bodies, a big bowl is fine, but as we age, the pancreas becomes less efficient. A study published in Nutrients in 2020 found that older adults who ate more than 100 grams of blueberries at once, that is barely over half a cup, experienced 37% higher post-meal glucose spikes. The diabetes warning. This is critical. If you have prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, avoid eating blueberries alone at night. The safest time is with breakfast or lunch. Self-monitoring tip. If you use a home glucose monitor, check your blood sugar before and 1 to 2 hours after eating blueberries. If the number jumps more than 2.2 millimoles per liter, reduce the portion or pair them with more protein. The solution, the limit, aim for half a cup per serving. The frequency, enjoy them 2 or 3 times a day, not all at once. The pair, always pair with walnuts, eggs, or Greek yogurt. Mistake number 2 is a trap that catches millions of seniors every day. You walk down the dairy aisle, you see a little plastic tub labeled blueberry yogurt. It looks innocent. But most of those yogurts contain less than 2% real blueberries. The rest is added sugar, corn flour, and chemical dyes. I know labels can be hard to read. The print is small and confusing, so I want to give you a simple guide. How to read the label, the senior guide. When you pick up a yogurt, do 2 simple checks. Check added sugars. Look for the line that says added sugars. If it is more than 8 grams per serving, put it back on the shelf. Check the ingredients. If you see colors or artificial numbers, or the word flavor, that is not real blueberry. The solution: you do not need the perfect expensive yogurt. Just plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with your own blueberries is already far better than 90% of what is on the shelf. Mistake number 1, the ultimate mistake, ignoring the source. And now we arrive at the number 1 mistake. Not all blueberries are created equal. Blueberries are repeatedly listed on pesticide watch lists. They can test positive for over 50 different pesticide residues, including chemicals linked to memory decline and tremors. Seniors naturally have a weaker liver and kidneys, which means we process these toxins less efficiently. Budget prioritization. I know what you might be thinking. Organic is expensive, and you are right. But if your budget is limited, do not stress about making everything organic. Focus on a few key foods: blueberries, strawberries, spinach, and apples. These are worth buying organic whenever possible because their skins are thin. For thicker-skinned fruits like bananas or oranges, non-organic is usually acceptable. The solution: prioritize organic blueberries. Even one small switch, changing just your blueberries to organic, can reduce your exposure to pesticides significantly over the months. The frozen hack. Frozen organic berries are often cheaper in the supermarket. Just remember, never rinse frozen berries under water to thaw them. You wash away the juice. Thaw them slowly in a bowl in the fridge. Blueberries truly are nature's miracle. They are tiny, powerful shields for our aging bodies. But as you have just discovered, the way you eat them matters just as much as eating them at all. After 60, your body demands precision. The blueberry checklist for seniors. Before we finish, here is a simple checklist you can write down or memorize. Portion: half a cup per serving, up to 1 cup per day. Timing: eat with breakfast or lunch, not as a large late-night snack. Partners: pair with oats, nuts, or plain yogurt. Do not mix with cucumber or pineapple. Washing: wash with a bicarb soda solution the day you buy them. Storage: eat within 3 to 4 days, or freeze properly. Type: choose organic when you can, fresh or frozen. Your action plan. Tomorrow morning, choose just one change from this checklist and apply it. Even one change is a step toward clearer thinking, stronger legs, and better health. Before you go, I just want to say thank you. If you like this video, show it with a thumbs up and consider subscribing so we can continue to share together. Share this with a friend who loves blueberries. You might just save their health. As we wrap up, I want to share a reminder that comes from a place of care. Please think of the information in this video as a tool to support your health journey, not as a replacement for professional medical advice. Your own doctor is your most important partner, so please talk with them before making any changes to your regimen. Everyone's journey is unique. Thank you so much for your time and your trust.